Hello viewers, I am Kausalya. Today we are going to solve problem 13 and 14 in exercise 12.2. The problem is a round table cover has 6 equal designs as shown in figure. If the radius of the cover is 28 cm, find the cost of making the designs at the rate of rupees 0.35 per centimeter square. Use root 3 is equal to 1.7. So here a round table is there, right? And the cover has 6 equal designs, right? So where are the designs here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? If the radius of the cover is 28 centimeter, that is if the radius of the circle is 28 centimeter, find the cost of making the designs at the rate of 0.35 rupees per centimeter square. So here the given thing is, you see, I have redrawn the diagram, right? So this is the diagram, right, without the design. So here the radius of the circle is given. So a radius is nothing but it is a line which joins the center to the circumference of the circle. So this radius is 28 centimeters. So you see totally how many divisions we have. Let us start from this, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Totally 6 divisions. Nothing but from the center I have drawn lines to these different points over here. Right. So here the radius of the circle is 28 centimeters. And we have totally 6 divisions. As we all know, you see, the total angle of a circle is 360 degree and now it is divided into 6, right? Therefore theta is nothing but 360 by 6, which is 60 degrees, right? Now we are going to find the area of a sector, right? So here I am considering the sector OAPB, right? So the formula is theta by 360 degree into pi r square. So what is the value of theta? It is 60. And what is the value of r? It is 28, right? It is given in the problem. So just substitute the values over here, right? So 60 and 36, it is 6 times, right? 6 6 are 36. So here comes 6 and 7 4s are 28. So 7 and 28 cancel each other. So what are all the remaining terms? Here 1 by 6 into 22 into 4 into 28. So again this 6 and 4 can be cancelled, right? So 3 and 2. So 22 into 2 is 44 multiplied by this 28 divided by 3. So what is 44 into 28? It is 1232, right? And here I have done the calculation, right? 8 4s are 32, 2 balance is 3 and again 8 4s are 32. So 32 plus 3 becomes 35 here. And next 2 multiplied by 4 is 8 and again 2 multiplied by 4 is 8. So here it is 88. So when you add you are getting 1232, right? So 1232 divided by 3. So this gives the answer as 410.67 centimeters square, right? So here in this problem, I need the area of the design, right? So initially I am calculating the area of the sector. Then I am calculating the area of this triangle. And finally I am going to subtract, right? So area of the triangle OAB is given by of r square into sine theta. So 1 by 2 into the value of r is 28 and the value of theta is 60 degree. Right, and again sine 60 is nothing but root 3 by 2. So here when you simplify, again 2 and 28 cancel by 14 times, right? And again here we have 2, so 7 2s are 14. Again this 2 and 14 cancels each other. So the remaining terms are 7 into 28 into root 3. So 7 into 28 is nothing but 196 root 3. Right. So here the value of root 3 should be taken as 1.7 because it is mentioned in the problem. Right. So when you multiply here, we are getting the answer as 333.2 centimeter square. Right. So now we are going to find the area of the design. So area of the design is nothing but area of the sector minus area of the triangle. Let us see the diagram. So here this is the area of the design, right? So now we had constructed a sector like this, right? So we had find the area of the sector and we have find the area of the triangle. So when you subtract the area of the triangle from the area of the sector, then we can find the area of the design, right? So this is what we are going to do. So area of the sector is given by 410.67 minus the area of the triangle is 333.2. Now when you subtract here, we are getting the answer as 77.47 centimeter square. Right. So again, when you look back at the problem, how many design areas do we have? You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right. And all the areas, they are of same size, that is they cover the same area. Why is it so? Because you see the lines, each and every line, the length is 28 centimeter because they are the radius of the circle. So the design area here will be same, right? Now we have calculated the design area of a single design, right? So now we have to multiply the value by 6 to find the total design area. So you see area of a design or area of a single design, even you can write like that. It is 77.47 centimeter square. Therefore, area of 6 designs is 77.47 multiplied by 6. So that gives the answer as 464.82 centimeter square. Right. And cost of making the design for per centimeter square is, for 1 centimeter square it is 0.35. Therefore, for this 464.82 centimeter square, what is the cost? Therefore, here you have to multiply, right? So, 464.82 multiplied by 0.35. So, this gives the answer as 162.68 rupees, right? So, this is the final answer of the problem, and you see here I have done the multiplications, right? So just have a look at this. If you have any doubt regarding this multiplication, you can look over here, right? Again, your simple multiplication. Whenever you are multiplying two numbers with some decimal points, initially you just remove the decimal point, just do the multiplication. And finally keep the decimal points, and accordingly you just you can keep the decimal points in the answer. Right, that is the easiest way. Because when you keep decimal points initially, I believe it will lead to some little bit of confusion. So you can do like this way. Now we will move with our next problem. So tick the correct answer. Area of the sector of angle P in degrees of a circle with radius R is. So here we are asked to find the area of the sector, right? So the angle value is P. Initially we will be using theta, right? Here they had given the value of angle as P and the radius as capital R, right? So what is the general formula? You see, the general formula is theta by 360 degree into pi R square. Here in the place of theta we are having P, right? And the radius in the place of small r we are having capital R square. So here the answer will be P by 360 into pi R square. So just check whether you have this answer. P by 360 into pi R square. Is there anything like this? No, because we are having only one 360 and that too, that is with 2 pi R. Right. So what we can do is, here you can simply check from the options. So here anyway we need pi R square, right? So here we are having pi R square and pi R square, only two options. Again when you look here in the denominator we are having 360, right? But here we are having 180 and another one is 720. So 120 we can't reduce this 380 to 180, right? So we are trying to make it as 720. So I am multiplying this 360 by 2, right? That is I am multiplying 2 on both the numerator and I am dividing by the same 2, right? Can you get? You see, I am multiplying 2 on both sides of the numerator and denominator. You see, numerator I am adding a 2 and denominator I am adding a 2. Now what happens? 2 into 360 becomes 720. So P by 720 into this becomes 2 pi R square. Now when you look back, you see we are having the answer here. P by 720 into 2 pi r square. Right. So option D is our answer. So here comes the end of this video. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.